Welcome to our channel where we deep dive into the world of finance and real estate to bring you the latest tips, trends, and insights. Today, we're exploring an incredible opportunity for home buyers and investors alike, the FHA 203K purchase loan. This unique loan program can transform the way you think about purchasing properties in need of repair or renovation. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about this loan in 5 comprehensive segments. The FHA 203K purchase loan is a government-backed mortgage that allows home buyers and homeowners to finance both the purchase or refinancing of a house and the cost of its rehabilitation through a single mortgage, or to finance the rehabilitation of their existing home. With its low down payment requirement and flexible lending standards, the FHA 203K loan opens the door to home ownership for many who might not qualify for a conventional loan, especially first-time home buyers. To be eligible for an FHA 203K loan, you must meet several criteria. First, the property must be a 1 to 4 family dwelling that has been completed for at least 1 year. The range of renovation works allowed is broad, but must be completed within 6 months after loan closing. Borrower eligibility is similar to that of a standard FHA loan, including credit score requirements, down payment amounts, and lending limits, making it an accessible option for many. One of the unique aspects of the FHA 203K loan is the renovation process. After closing on your property, you'll have 6 months to complete all the planned work. The process requires working with qualified contractors and undergoing inspections to ensure that the work is done according to plan. This segment will cover how to plan your renovations and choose the right contractors to make the most out of your loan. Like any financial product, the FHA 203K loan comes with its set of benefits and drawbacks. On the plus side, it offers a low down payment, the possibility to finance a home in need of significant repairs, and the opportunity to customize a home to your liking. However, it also involves rigorous paperwork, longer closing times, and the need for an FHA-approved contractor. We'll delve into these aspects to help you weigh if this loan is the right fit for you. Applying for an FHA 203K loan involves several steps, from finding an FHA-approved lender to getting an appraisal on the property as is and post-renovation value. This segment will guide you through the application process, what to expect, and tips for a smooth approval. We'll also cover the importance of getting pre-approved and how to work effectively with your lender throughout the renovation process. The FHA 203K purchase loan is a fantastic tool for those looking to buy and renovate a home with a single affordable loan. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, this loan can provide the means to bring your vision for a property to life while potentially increasing its value. Remember, success with a 203K loan requires thorough planning, a good understanding of the process, and the right partners. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the FHA 203K purchase loan. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to making informed decisions about financing your home purchase and renovation. Remember, every home buying journey is unique, and armed with the right knowledge, you can navigate the process with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with friends or family considering a home purchase, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on finance and real estate. Your support helps us create more videos like this one. Have questions or experiences with the FHA 203K loan you'd like to share? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And for more detailed guides and tips, visit our website linked in the video description. Until next time, keep aiming for your homeownership goals, and remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. Happy home buying and renovating.